This
By
one
my
is in the
shaggy
bag.
bark.
Remember, it's all on you here. A lot of pressure. All on your shoulders. Man, I would be a wreck.
Through
All right, let's
shady
go.
lanes. It's in the bag. On my way. Naturally. So I go. Yes.
30 seconds to battle.
In green, I go. Nature calls. In sylvan shade. The season arrived. With a wild spirit. Yes. En route. My hidden paths. Ah! I'm under attack. Nature calls. En route.
Close, but not quite.
With a wild spirit. By my shaggy bark.
First blood.
First blood.
Nature's for us.
What is this? I came here to be tested.
Yes. In sylvan shade. Denied. Through shady lanes. On my way. Branch out. Yes. My youth has been. So hello. Naturally. Ah! Denied. Light.
The unbelievable has happened. The Radiant's innocent courier has been slain.
For the trees. Uproot you. On my way. Attack! shady lanes. Leaving. So I go. In sylvan shade, branching out. Green. Yes. My hidden paths. By my shaggy bark. Go green! I will rise next season.
Murder spree. Double kill.
Your life is forfeit. Ah, the sun's pale sister shines upon my leaves. With a wild spirit. Wild is my way. Yes. Naturally. In your grave. Beastmaster and roots.
Fortified. Booyah.
Nipped in the bud. Nature calls. I'm under attack. My hidden paths. Ah. Who fells me?
The enemy's top tower has fallen. Yes, that's how it's done.
Dirt. Small minds are quickly broken. I'm glad to leave that place. So I go. Yeah, the seeds of fortune. With me. In green, I go. By my shaggy bark. Nature calls. Nature's wrath upon you. En route. Through shady lanes. What a dazzling death. Naturally.
Your top tower is defending itself bravely.
Uproot the foe. On my way.
That was impressive. At the spectacle.
Yes. with a wild spirit. On the trail.
Dire's courier has been slain.
In
Your middle
silver
tower
shade.
is under attack. How could you let that happen?
Nature calls. On my way.
Your middle tower is under attack.
By hidden paths. Yes. So I go. Naturally.
Your middle tower is fighting for its life.
By my shaggy bark. With a wild spirit. In sylvan shade. Through shady lanes.
Murder spree.
In green.
Illusion!
Your top tower is under attack. Best step to it.
To battle.
Dominating.
Your top tower is under attack.
The wild is calling.
Your top tower is defending itself bravely.
En route.
Your poor top tower.
Yeah.
Your top tower is under attack. Best step to it.
I go. En route. Pull roots and run. Through shady lanes.
Your middle tower is under attack.
From
Your middle tower is under attack. How could you let that happen? The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
my hidden paths. Uproot and up. Nature calls. In sylvan shade. By my shaggy bark.
Бей, бей, просто уничтожь!
Ой-ой-ой.
Залез.
I'll just take a cut. With a wild spirit. Naturally. So I go. Warriors of the wood. I the wild. On my
Dire's
way.
structures are fortified.
Sick'em.
Every
my
coin
way.
helps.
En route. Mighty hands. Nature's way. With me. Go green. Yeah.
Regeneration.
So I go.
Murder spree. Double kill.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
See my wound begin. Come. Through shady lanes.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Not exactly a strategic
Sun
benefit.
in my ninja calls.
Бей, бей, просто уничтожь!
With a wild spirit. The wild is calling. Leaving. In green, I go. Uproot you. In sylvan shade. I the wilds.
Double kill.
By my shaggy bar. Uproot the foe. Warriors of the wood. Green wrath. Natural. Branch out. Nature's ferocity. Uproot and out. For the trees. Yes. Through shady lanes. Attack. Snake.
Invisibility!
So I go. Leaving. En route. In greed, I go. On my way. My youth and live. answer the wild's call. Verdant fury. A bit of greed is
Arcane power.
in sylvan shade. Come, come. Yes. Pull roots and run. With a wild spirit. Naturally. Nature calls, orchid malevolence.
Fight or flight.
By my shaggy bark. In sylvan shade with me. Yes.
The enemy's bottom tower has been
Nature's
denied.
way.
How dare they?
I go. I'm under attack. Too soon.
Your middle tower is fighting for its life. Radiant structures are fortified. Don't waste time hitting them.
I do not care.
Your
to
middle
see
tower
that
is under attack.
place again.
Your middle tower has fallen on hard times. Dead times, in fact.
By my shaggy bark. Wild is my way. En route. That's not time. For the trees. Leaving.
Pain.
So nature's wrath. Come, come. Nature's wrath. On my way. The trees. Naturally. With a wild will. With a wild spirit.
Illusion.
Uproot the Hide the wild. I'm under attack.
Your bottom tower is injured.
Again, the sun warms my limbs. Uproot you. The seeds are forty.
Haste!
Nature calls. Wild is my way.
Bounty!
With me.
I roam.
In green I go. Leaving. On my way. By my shaggy bark. I'll just take a cutting. Yes. Uproot you. Branch out. This way. En route. So we go. Come. With a wild spirit. The wild is calling. Power wells up within. Attack. Pull roots and run. A bit of green.
The enemy's top tower received no mercy.
Go free. My hidden paths. Warriors of the wood. Yes. Naturally. In silver shade. Uproot and aftermath. Verdant fury. Through shady lanes. Agreed. Nature calls. My hidden paths. In sylvan shade. So I go. Warriors of the wood. My heath and live. Green wrath. Pull roots and run. En route. Yes. Uproot. It's an aftermath. Leaving. Snip. Come. Nature's
Double
ferocity.
kill.
Бей, бей, просто уничтожь!
Whoa.
Бей, бей, просто уничтожь!
Go
Ой-ой-ой! Халепа!
through shady lanes. On my way.
Your bottom tower is injured.
Green rat. With me. Third and fury. Green is good. Uproot the foe. Yes.
Roshan has fallen to the Dire. Impressive.
Immortality. Scepter. With a wild spirit. By my shaggy bark. Nature calls. I answer the wild.
Murder spree.
Yeah.
Бей, бей, просто уничтожь!
Warriors of the wood. Nature calls.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Naturally.
Radiant structures are fortified. That means you can't hurt him right now. Your bottom tower is under attack. Not exactly a strategic benefit.
En route.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
A short migration. Is it spring already? I'm under attack.
Ой-ой-ой! Халепа!
Your bottom tower is injured.
Every coin helps.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Not exactly a strategic benefit. Your bottom tower has crumbled to dust.
The glens are calling. Uproot and after them. Whoa! Whoa! Through shady lanes. Come to me. Sylvan shade.
Your bottom tower is injured. Your bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom tower is under attack. Not exactly a strategic benefit. Your bottom tower has fallen over. Your bottom barracks are under attack. This isn't going well for you. Oh, not good. You needed those bottom barracks. Your middle tower is under attack. How could you let that happen? Radiant structures are fortified. Your middle tower is fighting for its life. You know that middle tower that used to be alive and defending itself? Well, that has changed. Your middle tower is under attack.
A bit of green. Come!
Your middle tower is fighting for its life.
By my shaggy bark. I go.
Залепа.
In green, I go. En route. With me. The seeds of fortune. So I go. In sylvan shade. Nature calls. With a wild will.
Ой-ой-ой. Халепа.
Yes.
That was the destiny.
Yeah. Leaving. Pull roots and run. my way. Through shady lanes. Uproot and out. With a wild spirit. By my shaggy bark. Come! My hidden paths. Nature's way. Next. Warriors of the wood. My hidden paths. The wild is calling. I, the wild. With me. With a wild spirit.
Oi, oi, oi. Calepa.
Leaving. Yes. You fence.
It was time to clear him.
Your middle barracks are under attack. Those are my favorite barracks. Radiant structures are fortified. Don't waste time hitting them.
Beneath
Nature's guardian returns. Pull roots and run. By my shaggy bark.
Your middle barracks are not long for this one. Your middle tower is under attack. How would you like that?
Вот это валету Да ладно.
Your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower has fallen.